This is the time to rise and pray, to lift our voices, find the way. The path is clear, the call is true. His light will lead me and you through every valley, every His strength will carry us to the light. The way is narrow, the road is steep, but His promises He'll always keep. Feel the fire, hear the sound, heaven's glory all around. Lift your hands and don't look back. Follow Him and stay on track. Glory be to God on high.